we have launched this SMR Vinay Harmony County project in Bandlaguda, Rajanagar Mandal. This particular project is located in such a way that highly balanced between across walks of life. It is suitable for IT sector, it is suitable for the airport employees, and at the same time it is suitable for the common man, even the consultants, or even I can say the Gulf employees who are actually working there for Hyderabad natives also, and suitable for state government and central government employees. And the most important thing is because this education institution lecturers or professors, even the consultants and the doctors and all these people be neglected for a long time. And this location, it definitely takes care of all those people. And everywhere, even you can go to airport within 15 minutes, or to financial district Gachibowli 15 minutes, even to Madhapur also 15 minutes, or even to go Lagirapool or secretariat or even assembly, and the city center also is a matter of 15 to 20 minutes, even to airport also. And beyond airport also now huge IT sector is coming. So this Rajendra Nagar and Bandlaguda, this particular belt is highly balanced, and it is going to be the destination by next 5 years. And that is the reason actually we have chosen this location. And here we have just launched our first phase, where 475 apartments of 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom segment we have taken up. And second phase, third phase, fourth phase onwards is going to be the integrated township, where you are going to have the villas, townhouses, row housing, apartments, like even home offices. We are coming with a home office concept, where walk to work concept we will be implementing. All the consultants, or even the ladies who are having their independent organizations, and even sometimes even the people who wants to have an exclusive space to work their research things also. We may plan actually having one exclusive office building for the purpose of the convenient office complex also. We may be coming here. And this is a location where now is not being explored by majority of the people. Now is this particular area with the reasonable cost, with the land cost is reasonable, and the construction cost is reasonable, and we are coming for an affordable segment of middle class families. There like 35 to 45 lakhs per a 2-bedroom apartment, some 50 to 70 lakhs per a 3-bedroom apartment. And in due course of time, we are even coming with a high-end sector of even almost 4 crores each villa also. Here, every rupee, whatever my future purchase are going to spend, that will be appreciating by next 2-3 years to almost 30 to 40%. Because now whatever the cost which we have announced here now, rupees 3,000 rupees we announced as our basic construction selling cost, and it will appreciate almost, I can say, 1,000 to 1,500 by next 1.5-2 years, because of its location, because of our quality of construction, because of our sizes and the segment what we are addressing also. This particular phase 1 we will be completing by next 24 months, because we have scheduled everything, and our engineering, like technical side, even our contractors, even all the preparatory things, everything being completed. The financial closure also happened. Now we are nothing to look for anything else. We are starting the work from today onwards. By next 24 months, we are going to hand over to our families. So this is our promise, and already we are having the deliverables, we are having the infrastructure to complete. And last 4 years, we have completed more than 4.5 million square feet. And doing these projects is nothing, actually is our very, very normal way of doing things. Definitely, we are going to achieve our target to complete this project. Thank you.